Good morning to one and all. Yesterday I have made a video regarding depression. So, to further elaborate it, because many of my friends and many of my family members have asked me to elaborate and to differentiate between stress and depression. So, taking that into consideration, I am making today's video regarding what is stress and what is depression. What we are taking to what and how the things are changing. Stress. First, let me speak about stress. See, a student having exams, he is studying so hard, so he may be stressed. An employer is getting his deadline, he may be stressed. So, stress is not a mental condition. It will change as the situations changes. Depression. It is a mental condition. It is a mental illness. It will not change as the events change. To change the depression, we have to take stand. Okay. So first let me say how you feel when you are stressed and how you feel when you are depressed. When you are stressed, you will have no motivation to wake up, lack of doing interest, lack of interest to do things. Even they may be your interesting hobbies also. In stress, you will not be finding ways to do them. You will have headaches, body aches, what not. You will have all the reasons in stress. You will get stress only if something has happened. So you are getting stress. Cause and event. Cause will be there in stress. In depression, you will have everything. You will not have any problem. You will be enjoying the life many people have dreamt to have. But you would be depressed. So it is a mental condition. It should be treated. It should be cured. So these are the things. In depression, you will even have suicidal thoughts also. In depression, you will feel like, why am I alive? What am I doing? How life is going on? Not interested, getting irritated, having anger and rage. All these. Okay. So what are the treatments to overcome all these? First of all, for any health problem, for any health condition, first thing what we have to do is, we have to do exercise. Exercise means don't think you have to join a gym, something like that. No, you can just walk for 30 minutes or dance for 15 minutes. That is also an exercise. You can swim, you can do cycling, you can do what all, you can do trekking, what all you want you can do. But you need to do that for 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes. You have to do it regularly. Okay. Number 2, laugh. Okay. For laughing, no, first of all, just try to, in depression, you are telling to laugh. Yes, try to laugh. Just by seeing any movie or by seeing anything, wantedly try to laugh. Ha 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 ha, do like that if needed. Then automatically you will fall into laughing. Okay, you can take any comedy shows. You can be with friends who will make you feel laugh and cheer up and all. So second thing is to laugh. Third thing, one of the cause for depression is family only indirectly. Yeah, it's true. For motivation also family only, for depression also family only. Family people will set higher expectations on us. That expectations will be that high that to fulfill them sometimes we can't be able to have a higher capacities or higher strengths to fulfill all of them at once. So we would be depressed. So the family people, when they impose all the expectations on you, tell yourself, it's normal, it's normal. It's not possible for a human being to fulfill all the expectations at once. So I'll fulfill few now, few next, few later, like that. You can prioritize. You can prioritize yourself first, as I always say. Okay. Third one is balance relationships. That is family members, everyone who are having expectations on you. Ask them to cooperate for you so that you can come out of the depression. You can manage your stress levels and all. Okay. And fourth thing is, don't listen sad songs in depression. That will make you still more sadder. Instead, when you are crying also, try to listen songs that will cheer you up, that will lift your mood up. Okay. Read books if you love reading. Play if you love playing. spend time with your friends if you like spending time. And this meditation, I don't know very much about this, but all the authors, all the people will be suggesting us to do meditation. I'm also being a student of meditation. I'm trying to learn this meditation technique also. So if you also want to learn, just hit any YouTube channel and try to learn. Okay. And fifth one is stop overthinking. When can we stop overthinking? Our mind will not stop. If something has happened somewhere and it will affect us here, everyone knows we can't stop anything. It will happen and happen and happen as it's happening. But many people say that thoughts are things. You can change your thoughts. You can turn the negative thoughts to positive thoughts, because the subconscious mind is very, very, very powerful. It will act according to your suggestions you give. If you say it repeatedly, whatever you say, it will start to believe. See, in my hometown recently an incident has happened. One lady killed her daughter in a belief that she will get powers. That is the power of subconscious mind. If you give right food, it will take right. If you give wrong food, it will take wrong. Okay, so give your subconscious mind the way where it can think of good health, happiness and prosperity. These are, according to me, the things which help you and which can help me to overcome stress and depression and make our lives better, happier, peaceful and whatnot. Accepting challenges and moving on should be the criteria for life. If anything more, comment it. Please like, share and subscribe if you agree with all this.